Good day, I'm Lionel Cumanso and this is my reflection video about Chapter 2, Unpacking the Self, focusing on human sexual behavior. Human sexual behavior is not just about physical acts, but also about emotions, values, and respect for oneself and others. I've learned that our sexual behavior is shaped by many factors like culture, family, religion, and personal experience. Understanding this helps me become more aware and responsible in how I view relationships and intimacy. This topic reminds me that being sexually aware is part of knowing myself, my boundaries, my choice, and my values. It's not something to be ashamed of, but something to understand and respect. In the end, knowing about human sexual behavior teaches us maturity, self-control, and respect, important traits for building healthy and meaningful connection with others. Thank you.